Alright guys, we're gonna do a little bit of fishing before we can't do any fishing for a long time because of good old Hurricane Irma. I'm pretty excited. Not in a good way, in an extremely bad way. We're actually starting to get the winds from it. I'm thinking now, like the winds, not the winds from the hurricane itself, but we're starting to get some wind out here. It's probably blowing a good 15-20 miles an hour. And we're just gonna have to ride it out down here, which I'm not exactly excited for, but really there's not much you can do. But I remember last year we had Hurricane Matthew come down here and it wasn't bad at all. A bunch of rain, a little bit of wind, but all in all it wasn't too bad. And what was cool about that was, like, it made the fishing insanely good, believe it or not. We'd go out and I'd catch fish every cast. So now I guess it's a matter of how bad this is gonna be, and if even before the hurricane is worth trying to fish, you know? I know I'm not getting bites on anything. Well, I wouldn't say that. I'm not getting any bites right now on this frog. I don't know if the fish are trying to hide out or what. I know there was a huge gator just chilling right there not too long ago. Oh, almost went above the bridge. That ain't good. So I like to throw, as you've seen, straight across. I like to throw and just get it right on that weed. Bam. There we go. That's a fish. There we go. That's what I'm talking about, boys. That's a big bass, baby. Oh yeah, he wanted that. That's 5 pounds. Whoa! Bruh! Bro! Are you kidding me? Bruh! Look at this. Whoa, baby! Let's go! Alright. We're gonna get a weight on her somehow. Oh, fuck. I don't know if y'all see that. That's 6'2" right there. That's 6'2". Woo! Oh my God. Oh my God. That, guys, is why we fish. Look at this monster. That right there is why we fish for these things. Look at that fish. Guys, I don't know what the hell to say about this. The release on this, I'm not gonna go down there and you guys are gonna be like, oh, you're a pussy, but there's a gator literally swimming around and I'm not messing with it. So I'm gonna drop him right there, and he swam off without a problem, and that was 6.2 pounds, baby. Whew. That's what's up.